Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Crivit bike chain lock, it is the basic model, includes two keys. Total length 120 cm with a 3 years warranty. Let's remove the keys. We have a fabric coating to prevent paint damage. You can cover the hole for the keys. Rotate and it unlocks. Plastic here. Plastic the housing. Press and it locks. Wow, it pops out. You can't remove the key. You need to lock and then remove the key. Now it costs only 6 euros. I don't know if you can trust that type of lock for your precious bike. I was a victim, someone has stolen my bike and that was very disappointing for me and frustrating. So I'm not choosing this lock to lock my new bike, to secure my new bike. I'm just buying this lock to show you if it is good or not. So I would like to see the chain inside. Okay, we have a zip ties that is holding the fabric. Let me try and remove the zip tie. Okay, maybe with this knife. Okay, there is the chain. Okay, it is thick. Let's measure that. They say 8 mm. Okay, more or less, it is 8 mm. Okay, I believe you, it is 8 mm. It's rotating, we can see inside 360 degrees. And the same of course at this area. Yep, the length it is 120 cm. Now I would like to cut one of these chain links and see if it is easy or not. Let's try that. It only takes a few seconds to cut one of the chain links with a regular old steel bolt cutter. And that's a wrap on the Crivit bike chain lock. It's an affordable option, but it's not my first priority choice when it comes to keeping my bike safe and secure. Don't trust your expensive bike to this low security lock. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews and gear tests. Have you used this bike lock? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear how it works for you. Thanks for watching, ride safe, keep your bike safe, and I'll see you in the next one.